Hi, today on JJ's Bakes, we are baking banana bread. It will turn out like this, but first, we're gonna need the ingredients, which we already have here. You'll need 3 bananas, or you can have 2 or 1, your choice. You put the 3 mushy bananas like all rotten and stuff, because you want them mushy, not hard and ripe. You want them mushy, like this one, really mushy. The more bananas you put in, the more taste you'll get, like the more flavor, and I put 3 in, so I got 3 times the flavor, I guess you could say. Now, what you're gonna need to do is mush up all the bananas, like so. Later, you're gonna put in the eggs, water, and banana bread mix. Now we're gonna add the lightly beaten egg. I want to make sure you got no shells in there, okay? Now let's get that yolk all over. All right, now we're gonna stir, then mush the yolk up. Now see this? It's ready to hit the mix. Ready? Let's pour it in. Well, I'm gonna pour it in, not you, but me. That's quite a lot. But at least we got something to work with. You can barely even see it, the yolk. And you want all that whiteness mixed in with the yellowness. That's the yolk and the bananas. You do not want to taste this because it's raw. And oh, yeah, the last thing you want to add is a big round thing of water. Like that. Now it will be soaking in. Now we're gonna dump the banana bread mix into the pan. All even on one side. You don't want any uneven surfaces. So this is what you want the flat surface to look like. Okay. We will bake at 350, 45 minutes. Is that up? Yeah, it's at 350. What you want to do is put that in there, and then we'll wait 45 minutes. So we had it sitting in the oven for 47 minutes. I know it said 45 minutes timer, but we added 2 more minutes because we took a toothpick in and it was goopy. So if it's goopy, you're gonna have to add 2 minutes and you want to do it with a toothpick, and voila, here's what it will look like. So we've waited 28 minutes. I think that's more than enough. You're supposed to set a timer for 7 minutes. So I'm gonna cut a little piece off. This is my piece.
Let's take a look at it. How did it turn out? Turn it over.
Really yummy and crispy. Gonna take a little bite out of it. Oh my gosh, this tastes real good.